Avin Systems. AutoSAR Classic Platform Products. AutoSAR Standard. AutoSAR is an international consortium with members from OEMs, Tier 1 and Tier 2 suppliers, semiconductor manufacturers, and service providers. AutoSAR develops platform software standard for automotive. AutoSAR vision. AutoSAR aims to improve complexity management of integrated E&E architectures through increased reuse and exchangeability of software modules between OEMs and Tier 1 suppliers. AutoSAR standardization topics. AutoSAR standardizes architecture, methodology, and application interfaces. Software architecture, basic software. The AutoSAR basic software is divided into three major layers and complex drivers. The three layers are services layer, EC abstraction layer, and microcontroller abstraction layer. AutoSAR basic software groups. The layers are further divided into functional groups. Examples of services groups are system services, memory services, and communication services. Avin AutoSAR basic software modules. Avin Systems offers AutoSAR Classic Platform basic software products and tools. Avin's AutoSAR Classic Platform product line consists of multi-core safe operating system, safe RTE, AutoSAR basic software modules, ECU configuration editor tool, software components editor tool. Also, Avin provides bootloaders for various OEMs. Avin ECU configuration editor. Avin provides easy to use ECU configuration editor to configure basic software modules. Also, Avin provides software component editor to configure application software components. Avin's safe basic software. Avin offers basic software with safety conformance which can be used in ECUs that require up to ISO 26262 ASIL-D level. Avin provides safe and time-efficient solution for modules such as operating system. Summary. Avin offers cost-competitive, safe, time-efficient, and easy-to-use AutoSAR Classic Platform products and tools. Contact info@avinsystems.com, in.sales@avinsystems.com, or visit website www.avinsystems.com. Thank you.